Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the review of the 15-inch MacBook Pro, one of Apple's most outstanding and powerful laptops. Are you ready? Let's get started. The 15-inch MacBook Pro is the epitome of power and performance in a sleek design. Its 15-inch Retina display delivers an exceptional viewing experience with vibrant color and crisp detail. It's perfect for creative professionals, developers, and users who need top-notch performance on the go. Design and construction. Let's start by talking about the design and build. The 15-inch MacBook Pro features a sleek and sturdy aluminum chassis, giving it a premium look and reliable durability. In addition, its backlit keyboard and wide Force Touch trackpad give us a comfortable and precise typing and navigation experience. Power and performance. Now let's talk about what really matters. The 15-inch MacBook Pro is equipped with powerful Intel Core i7 or i9 processors and a generous amount of RAM, allowing us to perform demanding tasks without a hitch. Whether we're editing videos in 4K, working on graphic design projects, or running intensive development applications, the MacBook Pro gives us a smooth, uninterrupted experience. Retina display. The Retina display on the 15-inch MacBook Pro is simply stunning. With crisp resolution and vibrant colors, every image comes to life. Whether we're watching movies, editing photos, or working on creative projects, the Retina display immerses us in an unparalleled visual experience. Battery and storage. In terms of battery life, the 15-inch MacBook Pro does not disappoint. It can keep us productive all day long without the need to constantly charge it. It also offers generous storage options, giving us enough space to store all our files, apps, and projects. Additional features. The 15-inch MacBook Pro also comes with some additional features that enhance our user experience. The touch bar, located at the top of the keyboard, gives us shortcuts and contextual controls depending on the application we are using. In addition, security and privacy are well taken care of with the T2 security chip and Touch ID authentication system. In conclusion, the 15-inch MacBook Pro is an impressive laptop that combines power, performance, and sleek design. It is ideal for professionals and demanding users looking for a reliable and versatile device. If you are willing to invest in a high-performance laptop, the 15-inch MacBook Pro is definitely an option worth considering. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.